Morning folks, ash dieback tree, completely dead, and it was leaning over these areas where people parking their cars. Got it down as far as the fence. It's in between two fences. As you see, there's chain link fence going through it. So that's as far as we can get it down to. That's more of the chain link fence. It's grown all through it. There's more of it there. This is Sunbury-on-Thames, up near BP. BP this week have their AGM and they fortified the place. Right, almost all the logs on. Get the blower out of it, have a blow around. Right, here I'm modelling the new pfanner chainsaw trousers. Vintage. Stop laughing.